Okay, so now we're moving on to our non-random sampling methods. By non-random, I mean not everyone has an equal chance of being selected. So you can already see what some of the disadvantages may be of these non-random sampling methods. The first non-random sampling method we're going to look at is convenience sampling. And this is where you sample people who are available at the time of the study and who fit the criteria you're looking for. The advantages of convenient sampling is it's easy to carry out and it's inexpensive, but the disadvantages are that it's unlikely to provide a representative sample and it is highly dependent on the individual researcher and like the skills they have. How good are they at using convenient sampling? So here's how it could be used in a question. An interviewer asks the first 50 people he sees outside a fish and chip shop on a Friday evening about their eating habits. What type of sampling did he use? Well, it's convenient. He's asking the first 50 people he sees. That's the key word. First people you see is a convenient sample, or sometimes called an opportunity sample. Convenience or opportunity sample. Both will be recognized in mark schemes, so whatever one sticks in your head. And it says, explain why this sampling may not be representative. Well, you think he's only asking the first 50 people he sees outside a fish and chip shop on a Friday evening. So it may not be like fully representative of the characteristics of the entire town. It's only going to be representative of the people who are getting fish and chips on a Friday. And some people may do that like every week. It's like fish and chip Friday, you know. So you can just say something like, may not reflect characteristics of people in the entire town. And then suggest 2 improvements he could make to his data collection technique. Well, let's see what he's done so far. First 50 people he's seen. He can ask more people, maybe. More people. What else could he do? He's outside a fish and chip shop. He can go to more places, more locations in town. He can ask people maybe like outside a shop, outside a library, all these different places in town. He could go to the park, across the road, stuff like that. And what else has he done? He's done it on a Friday evening, so we can ask on different days. He can ask people on like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday maybe. And what else? It's an evening, so you can ask more different times of the day. I've basically listed these as bullet points. In an exam, you'd probably give it a bit more detail. So you might say, to improve his sampling method, he could ask more people from different locations in the town on different days and different times of day. But you only need 2, so you could either use these 2 or whatever 2 sticks in your head. And that is convenient sampling.